Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Okay. Hi, my name is Sibeko from Tobs. My business started in 2021 and we are located in Vosloorus on Kona Moagi and Birman Road, Vosloorus. I started the business because I was concerned after the breakout of the listeriosis disease. I just wanted to make sure that we have some alternative safe food that we can have in the township without having to rely on outside suppliers. So we make our own wraps from scratch. Our wraps are infused with vegetables and herbs, and we fill our wraps with lean meats such as chicken breasts, lean beef, lean mince, and we fill that with vegetables, trying to stay away from fatty foods. So yeah, we basically give you nutrition on the go. You have to pick Tobs wraps because first of all, we make almost all our ingredients from scratch, and we only select ingredients that help you on the go with your immune system. So if you're struggling with iron deficiency, we've got wraps that are made from spinach and beetroot. If you're struggling with inflammation, we've got turmeric and black pepper. So we just always make sure that your nutrition is up to scratch on the go. You can get in touch with us. We are on Facebook as Tobs Reps, Instagram Instagram Tobs_reps, and you can contact us on 082-343-8779. I'm Sibeko from Tobs Reps, and I am a township entrepreneur.